The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD chassis combines rugged capability with advanced technology, ready for any challenge. Experience the turbo diesel engine for impressive towing power and the automatic rear-locking differential for enhanced traction, ensuring every journey is smooth and controlled. Step inside to find the Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system for intuitive control and an interior power outlet for added convenience on the go. Call or visit Capital Chevrolet GMC of Lexington today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500.